Hello guys, welcome to my channel Executables. I know it's been almost 1 year since I uploaded any video on this channel, and I stopped making these videos on this channel because I was really feeling boring, because this channel wasn't getting enough views, I wasn't gaining enough subscribers, and so I was really discouraged and I stopped making videos. But in this duration I worked on another channel of mine, Unreal Production. The link is down below, you can go and subscribe. I worked a lot on that channel and I also gained a lot of subscribers there. I also got a lot of following, and I upload basically music videos and short films over there. If you like music videos and short films, I would recommend you that you should go and subscribe that channel. But however, I almost lost any hope from this channel. But few days ago, what happened, when I opened this channel, I saw that one of my video has got 5,000 views, and people has made a lot of comments on different videos, and I also have gained a few subscribers, and that really encouraged me again to make this video. And I thought that why should I not start making videos again? So let's see that how people react to it. So let's get started. So firstly, I would like to tell you all that you do not have to worry. This is an extremely easy software, and if you make films, if you have a YouTube channel, I would strongly recommend you that you should learn this software, because Filmora and other non-professional softwares like AVS, VideoPad, those cannot do everything, but in this software you can customize anything that you want. So it is really required that you should step out and learn this software. So firstly, when you will open Adobe Premiere Pro, you will see a layout like this. Now the good thing about this software is that you can change this layout as per your preference. That is something that you cannot do with other non-professional video editors, because they do not offer this. But in this software you can change anything that you want. Suppose if you want to change this box, if you do not want this box here, you can drag it out here, but that's completely up to you. But this is the default layout that comes to you when you first open this. After that you can change it as per your preference. So this is the layout that you'll see. At the leftmost bottom you'll see a box like this where the project ex_1 is shown. This is our project name. Here you can drag all the media files. So this is the main function of this box. Above this you can see another box here. You can see all the properties of the media files here. Here you can see that it shows timeline. You all know what timeline is. If you edit videos, then you know that what is a timeline. So here is the timeline. You can add multiple videos or audios here. And one more thing, that you cannot use an effect as a layer. I will tell you about this later. And on the right side you can see that here effects panel, you can drag and drop all your effects from here. Under that you can see Lumetri colors, library markers, and there are many options which will know one by one. So firstly, let us do something. Let us just import one video. So I'm gonna import this video. So how I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna just click on this, drag right into the Premiere and drop it right here. After that it will import file and it will show right here, and you can double click it and you can see that the source media file is shown here. You can play it or stop it using these toggle buttons, and I'm gonna teach you some shortcuts that will be really useful. Suppose this is the whole video, but obviously you might not need the whole video. So you need to choose a segment. In order to do that, firstly go to that part where you want to start and then press I. Then go to the ending point and press O. And after that you will have to drag it right into a timeline. So just click on the video and drag it to the timeline box. And as you can see that the video is now added into a timeline, only that portion which is required. That means only this portion. Out of this portion nothing is included in the timeline. Now you can see that there are one video and one audio track. You can unlink it if you want, so then you can right click and you can get bunch of options. If you want to unlink it, just go to unlink and then you can drag and drop the video and the audio separately. Now how to split your videos. In order to split your videos, just take your cursor to the point and press C. After pressing C, you can see that the mouse pointer has changed. It is called a razor tool. Razor means a tool that cuts. So using this tool you can cut your clip. Just go above your cursor and click, then your video will be splitted. Press V to go back to the select mode. In order to zoom in or zoom out, just go to this bar here and you can drag and drop to zoom in or zoom out. To see the properties of this clip, just click on this clip and go to here. You can see there's an option as effect controls. Here click on this and click here again and you see that lots of options are here, such as scale, position, rotation, whatever it is. You can toggle these options. Suppose if you want to change your position, you can do it on x-axis or y-axis. This 960 is the value of x-axis, this 540 is the value of y-axis. So if I wanna move this, if I wanna change the position of this video along x-axis, you can just change it like this. If you wanna change the position along y-axis, you can move it like this. If you wanna zoom in or zoom out, you can also do it like this by choosing the scale option. You can also rotate your clip and you can do lots of things like changing the opacity, etc. Now there's an important thing that you need to learn is keyframing. Now what keyframing is, now if you want to zoom in this clip, you can simply scale it up. But what if you want to change the scale along with time? Then you can add a keyframe. Suppose the scaling has to be started from the initial time. So in order to do that, just click on this toggle animation button. This will add a keyframe right here. And suppose the zoom in will end here. Then just click on this dot here. This will add another keyframe right here. Now zoom in as per your preference and you can see that the video is zooming in inside these two keyframes. So this is how you can change the values of the parameter along with time. You can use this keyframing with any of these options which has this toggle button here. You can change the rotation, you can change the position, you can apply it with any parameters that are available in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So in order to add any effect in your video, you can go to this effect panel, choose any of the effect that you want. Suppose if I want to increase the brightness or decrease the contrast, I can simply write here brightness and it gives me this brightness and contrast effect under color correction. Just drag it right into the video, and unlike Filmora or other non-professional video editors, you do not have any effect track. That means that you do not have any separate track for only effects. You will have to drag the effect right into the video. So now if I scroll this down, you'll see that the effect is added here. Now you can decrease or increase your brightness or contrast as per your preference. You should notice one thing, that you can also add keyframes here if you want to animate the brightness or contrast. If you want to add a video transition, you can also do this very easily. Just go to the video transition and select from one of these options and just drag and drop in between the two clips and you can see the transition is added. You can also increase or decrease the time of the transition by dragging this out or in. One thing you should be careful about, that whenever you make changes or whenever you make a big change, you should press Ctrl and S in order to save the project. You can disable any of the tracks by using this toggle track output icon. If I want to disable this track, just click on this and this track will be disabled. If you want to mute any audio track, just click on this M and the track will be muted. If you want to play any solo track, just click on this S and only that track will be played. If you want to record anything, then click this voiceover record option to record your voice. If you want to save this track, just press Ctrl and M and this will bring up the export panel. Or alternatively, you can also go to File, then Export and then Media in order to export this. You can change the output settings using these preset options, or you can also change this manually from here. You can change the output name or the destination folder by clicking here. And when everything is set, you can finally click on Export to start exporting this. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, click that like button, and if you really want to join us, click the subscribe button down below and let us know your opinions in the comment section. Thank you very much.